In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in SmartSheet. Changing the font style is a simple way to make your sheet easier to read and more visually organized. Whether you want a cleaner look for reporting or you're just trying to highlight important information, adjusting the font style only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to do so you can follow along in your own SmartSheet. First, make sure you have your SmartSheet open and that you're in the sheet where you want to change the font. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar that contains all your main formatting options. Look for the formatting section that controls the appearance of your text. This is usually represented by options like bold, italic, font size, and alignment. Within that same area, you'll see a field that shows the current font name. This is what we're going to change. Click on any cell or range of cells whose font you want to adjust. It's a good idea to select the text first so you can immediately see the effect of your changes. Once your text is selected, move your cursor up to that toolbar and click on the text formatting area where the current font style is displayed. Next, click on the default font name that appears above your sheet in the toolbar. This is typically something like a standard system font, and it's displayed as a drop-down menu. When you click on it, a list of available fonts will appear. This list shows all the font styles you can apply to your selected text. From here, simply scroll through the list and select the font style you want to use. As you hover over different options, SmartSheet may show a preview of what the font looks like, which can help you choose something that matches the tone of your project. Click the font you prefer, and it will immediately apply to the cells you selected. If you don't see the change right away, double check that your cells are still highlighted, and confirm that you clicked directly on the font name in the drop-down. You can repeat this process for other sections of your sheet, using different font styles to separate headers from regular data or to emphasize key rows. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the text area, opening the default font drop-down, and selecting your desired font, you can quickly customize the look and feel of your SmartSheet.